and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we are going to talk about one of our custom creations. The product is wall mounted or can be customized to have a base to stand on, but for the needs of the video we are going to lay it down. This is a battle sequence puzzle. Let's plug it in. If you don't know how to power the controller, check out my hardware video where I cover everything about them.
The device is started. The initialization is completed and the game state is entered.
In the beginning, we have an output, as you can see. The players need to find the right order of pushing the buttons to solve the puzzle and release whatever is connected to the second output.
The game enters reset mode.
So as you can see, the outputs and the inputs have both audible and visible reactions. Both outputs can be modified to fit the idea of your escape room. The inputs also can be changed multiple times. You can find on our site more custom builds, automations, mechanisms and equipment for your escape rooms, or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we're shipping worldwide. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.